In this video, I'll be explaining the revolve option, the shaft over here in CATIA, the shaft option, which is the third option in sketch-based features. So basically the shaft option is nothing but you take one profile and you revolve it around an axis and you get a volume, or you get a solid, a three-dimensional solid. So let us do that with this rectangle over here. I made a rectangle and I want to revolve, or I want to rotate this rectangle about this axis to make a cylinder. Let us see how we can do that. So select the shaft command, select the rectangle, and now over here under axis I'll be selecting this line as the axis. And if you see over here, the whole sketch rotates about that line and makes a solid. So if I just preview it, it's going to give me this, a cylinder. If I press OK, so that is your solid which is made using shaft. Similarly, you can do the same thing for hollow shafts also. Say for example, I'm having a rectangle which is away from the horizontal origin line and I want a hollow shaft. So I just quit the sketch over here, and now what I'm going to do is, let me hide this. I'm going to select this. I'm going to first select the shaft option. I'm going to select the rectangle, and then instead of selecting this as the axis, I'll be selecting this, the horizontal line, origin horizontal line. And now if I just preview, so it's hidden actually. So if you see over here, I've created the hollow shaft. So this is the shaft option. Based on the selection of the axis of rotation, it's going to make the volume of revolution.